Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you all how I achieved these coils on my DIY crochet expression wig. The video of how I made this wig is here on my channel, so I will leave the link in the description box for you to see in case you haven't seen it. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved these coils from the straight hair to this, then do not go away, keep on watching.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, something me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
So after braiding the hair, get some hot water and pour in a bowl, just like this. Then put the braided wig into the water. Be careful not to burn yourself. You can leave it in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Doesn't have to stay too long. As far as the water is hot, it will do its work. Then take it out after about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, the braids are looking kind of weak because the hot water has absorbed into it. So dry off with your toy, then use a hand dryer to dry properly. Make sure you dry it very well. If possible, if you have sunlight, you can put it under the sun to dry very well.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show.
So in the process of drying, I rubbed in some oil, almond oil, carrot oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whichever oil, to add in some shine. And also I rubbed in a bit of Eco Stylight gel to hold the coils in place when I take the braids out.
She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man.
I actually left the hair overnight to dry properly, so this is me taking the braids out the next morning.
They want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl.
Sorry about my camera lighting here, it was just fluctuating.
And we getting high all night long. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me, house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
So guys, this is the end result. It was easy, right? Anyways, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do guys, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Stop